welcome to my YouTube channel, it's Mangothao. Okay, today's video is going to be a huge haul video of all the stuff I purchased this weekend. So let's get started. So I went to Dollar Tree first because everything in there is $1. So my cousin told me to get these red hair dye because she said it works just as good as the higher end that ranges from $3.99 to $12.99. And yes, I am going back to my red hair. That's why I purchased this to try it out, see if it works just as good as she said it does. So the next time you guys will see me is with my red hair, or in the process of getting my red hair back because I miss my red hair. Red hair don't care. Then I got myself a lint remover because my clothes attract a lot of lint, and I don't use the paper lint remover because it creates more waste and it pollutes the world. So this one is eco-friendly and it's just $1. Just $1. Then I went to Joann's and I got some fabric and a necklace holder because the fabric was 50% off each cut and jewelry holders was 50% off also. So 50% off of $17.99, and I got a great deal for this. Then I went to Walmart and got my white fur carpet for my closet because I'm changing my closet carpet. And this is how it looks like. It's really fluffy and soft, and it's white. And it has all these other colors also. Then I went to Forever 21 and I got some clothes and some shoes and accessories. So I'll start with the clothes first. I got myself a spiked tank top for $12.80. The spikes are on the shoulders. Then a spiked ombre leather sweater for $22.80. A camouflage sweater because I was looking for a camouflage sweater and I finally found one for a cheap price for, I think it was, yeah, $19.80. Then I got myself a tank top for the summer. It's just a basic tank top with stripes. And I got it for $12.80. Then I got myself a black slip-on Oxford shoe for $24.80. A lace floral Oxford shoe for $24.80 also. Got myself a sideways cross bracelet for $4.80. Silver chain rhinestone cross necklace for $3.80. And I got myself a Hello Kitty scarf travel bag to store my shampoo, conditioner, and all my travel size stuff. This was for $8.80, and this is limited time offer only, so get it while you can. Then I went to Red Seal and I got myself a slip-on inspired or a dupe of the Tom shoes in a mint color, and I only paid $14.50 for these. And yes, I did get it from a women's store, but it's really unisex if you find stuff that is unisex. Then I went to, I should do this one first. Then I went to Nordstrom and I got, this was my first time purchasing stuff from Nordstrom, so that's that. I just got myself a basic red sweater for $16.98. Original price for this was $34. $34 for a sweater, that's crazy. And yeah, that was my first purchase from Nordstrom. Then I went to H&M and I got myself 3 v-neck shirts, 2 whites, 1 black. I love their v-neck shirts, and I only wear their v-neck shirts because it's really comfortable. Got a sweater for next year's winter for only $7. And a burgundy color and navy blue cardigan for $7. Then I went to Marshall's and I got some stuff there too. Got myself a birthday card for $1.99 and a agenda for $2.99. It's in mint, and this side it has notepads and this side has notepads too. This side has Monday through Sunday on it, And then this is a to-do list, and it comes with a mint color pen, which is really cute, and it fits perfectly in my bags. Then I got myself 2 new arm candy, and they are the BCBG bracelets. This one is in turquoise and teal, alligator skin. It says Dream on it, $7.99 for this, compared to $18 at Nordstrom. And I got myself a silver and metallic leather bracelet for $7.99 also. A black wire basket for my shower stuff for $4.99. And a white picture frame which they wrapped up in tissue paper. I paid $7.99 for this, and it's 5x7. Last but not least, my holy grail hairspray, the Chi Maximum Volume hairspray. I purchased this for $12.99, and my other bottle that I got it was from Minnesota, and I got it from TJ Maxx. So, I will be doing a review video on this hairspray. So, thanks for watching. Bye.